Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Helen. I'm from Hangzhou Longwing Company. Today I'm going to show you a very creative and incredible item. So get ready for it. So this is a perfume card. It's basically to fresh the air around you. You can put in your study room, living room, bedroom, or on your car. As you can see, you can put it on the air conditioner in your car. So for example, if someone's smoking on your car, if you got this, like, problem solved. And guess what? The fragrance can stay 45 to 180 days. So it's quite a long time. So the reason why you have to get this is kind of you can remove the smells. And it got really cute looks and creative shape. So what you waiting for? DM me for more detailed information. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.